To view and edit thermal images you have taken, you can either access the Thermal Gallery through the link on the Thermal Camera app or use the MyFlir Gallery app. From here, you can scroll left and right through your thermal images or select the grid view icon to view them in a gallery grid. Select an image to open it. You can use the image to read different temperatures of anything within the photo using spot meter or area average tools. Again, you can apply up to 3 movable spot meters to measure temperatures within the captured image. This will allow you to go back to investigate previous hot and cold spots to help you assess whatever situation you are in. With an image selected, swipe up from the bottom or down from the top to see the standard visual image behind the thermal view. This can help give context to complex images. Learn more at catphones.com.